You get any good pictures?
Nah, I don't like taking pictures with the phone. They never come out good.
Yeah.
Did you get any good photos with your film camera?
I don't know, I think so. It's film, so we'll see. You know, I stopped into Jack's camera store the other day. They had a pretty good selection, 35mm film cameras.
Cool.
Yeah, it's just cool.
I don't know. That's like a huge commitment.
What do you mean? You've been non-stop researching film cameras, watching videos on film cameras.
If you're not using film and you're using digital media, you're missing out on life.
Oh, hey, Finn.
Hey, Mom.
And talking about film cameras to anybody who will listen.
I'm thinking about buying a 35mm film camera.
That sounds nice.
I don't know anything about 35mm cameras though, so got my work and research cut out for me. Certain brands are good, certain brands aren't. Film's got that grain, you know? So there's a very grainy grain, and there's emulsion and imagery that digital just doesn't have. And it certainly doesn't come out in a cell phone. I mean, there's so many options, all sorts of different lenses, different camera bodies, and I'm just trying to make sure I make the right decision and everything is good. No, I mean, I appreciate you thinking of me and everything like that. I mean, I've been so busy.
Hey, what are you busy with?
And I've just been really, really busy. I've been busy with stuff, and so I bought new soap, and I had to go to the store, and they were out.
I don't think you're that busy.
So I had to go I had to drive all the way to Westchester to get it, and it just took a long time.
Just seems like you're bored, man. Maybe it'll give you something to do. So, what was this emergency?
You want to know what the emergency was?
Yeah.
Bugs, Rafe.
What?
Bugs.
Okay, so what? Like, you need an exterminator, or?
Put my hipster glasses on. I wear my, not quite sure if it's ironic, Hawaiian t-shirt. Go on down to Delaware Park. I set foot outside, and I pull my camera out, and I'm ready to take pictures. And you wanna know what happens?
But did you get the shots?
And so I got out and I was walking, and suddenly, ow, the first shot was fired.
Of the camera?
And then the second shot. Ow!
This is Annoying Squadron Leader. I am going in. Follow my lead.
Get out of here!
The enemy is returning fire, engaging in evasive maneuvers, coming back around, commencing Operation Happy Hour.
See you. I see
Excellent hit. Going around for another pass.
They were in the sky. They were in the ground. They were in my clothes. And they would not stop biting me.
This is Irritating Squadron Leader, here to give Annoying Squadron backup. Can't let you ladies have all the fun. Mayday, mayday, we are hit! We are going down! Repeat, we are going down! Irritating Squadron, come in! Come in! Irritating Squadron, do you copy? We lost her, girls. We lost her.
I have a mark by the Bug CIA to be assassinated from the Bug government.
Annoying Squadron. This is Inconvenient Squadron. There's no time to mourn now. Let's give this fly squadron a boost.
There were more mosquitoes there than I have ever seen in my entire life.
It's July. Did you get the shots at least?
Get away from me! No, come on! I don't know, man, I went out, I got the shots, you know, everybody's always telling me, like, go buy the film camera, go pick the thing up. Finally, I do pick up the camera, and what, the film gets destroyed?
I mean, what'd that cost you? $10?
Well, it cost me $4 because it was on sale.
Okay, Jesus, man. Well, listen, it sounds like you had a bad day filming. You just need to get back out there, pick yourself back up, and give it a try again. You're gonna have failure days, bad days. You're gonna get pictures that come out like shit, and you're gonna get attacked by bugs. This is art, man. But next time, maybe wear some bug spray. That's art, man. You get out there, you pick yourself back up, try it again.